confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, my name is Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. And today's topic is kind of a hot topic. It's been asked many times here in comments and conversations that I've had with people, and that is regarding getting paid to moderate. Now, as I've said in a previous episode, when you moderate for somebody, you should basically expect it to be voluntary. However, over time, if what you're doing for a content creator changes and you're getting more and more responsibilities, then maybe it's time for a discussion with that content creator to see, if you could work something out. You have a choice. Either you can have that conversation or you can decide not to be a moderator. If you are moderating for an event where the content creator is getting paid for that event, depending again on what your responsibilities are and how many people are going to be on the event and all that type of stuff, then you should possibly look into getting paid. I have been lucky. I've never had to deal with this with any of the events or the people that I've dealt with. All the events that I've been asked to help out with, I have been paid for. Even content creators where I'm doing more work or I'm, doing different things for them, I am being compensated in one way, shape, or form. They're either paying me, but I'm getting something in return for helping them out. So like I said, I have not felt like I have been used in any way or taken advantage of. The content creators that I work with and have supported have helped me also. But like I said, if you're doing an event, the content creator is getting paid for, then yes, that's a conversation that you need to have and get that worked out before the event. If you're just moderating for some of content creators' live streams, you should not expect to be paid for it because you don't have to show up. It's voluntary. Most content creators don't expect you to be on every stream. That's why they have lots of moderators that they pull out so that they're covered no matter whether people show up or they don't show up. So don't go into moderating expecting that you're going to get paid for it. Learn what you're doing, hone your skills, and then you can start looking at getting paid for what you're doing. So hopefully that helps. And as always, if you have any questions, you want me to elaborate on anything that we've discussed so far, or you have topics that you would like me to discuss, please put them in the comments below and we'll be sure to cover them in one of the future episodes. And with that, thanks for joining today and we'll see you tomorrow.